Struggling to create SEO optimized blog titles? Well, let's see how ChatGPT goes with helping us. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate catchy, keyword-rich titles that boost your blog's visibility. Now, a lot of people think that blog titles aren't that important, but in fact, they are an extremely important thing when it comes to getting people to click on obviously your post against others. Also, they help you rank on Google. So they are very important and they should be researched properly. So improves SEO rankings, increase click-through rates, enhances user experience. I'm not sure about that part. Readers want to know what they're getting into before clicking. Okay, yeah, in that case, I guess so. Social media engagement. Key tips: use primary keywords naturally, keep it under 60 characters. Oh, perfect. So there you go. That's a quick reason why they're important. This is just going to be a short video, so let's get straight into it. So I'm creating a blog post about smoking cheese, and my target keyword for this particular post is how long to smoke cheese. So we've got here, generate 5 SEO optimized blog post titles for a post about smoking cheese, targeting the keyword how long to smoke cheese. Why is my text showing? We'll just leave that there. It's not in the way. All right. So now we've got our 5 titles. How long to smoke cheese, a beginner's guide to perfectly smoked flavors. How long to smoke cheese for maximum. So this is using the keyword obviously in the very start of the title, which isn't a bad idea. I personally am not that fussed about it as long as the keyword's within the title. So straight away you could say the keyword does not need to be at the start of the title. You also have to remember that ChatGPT is dated back to October 2023, I believe. So, okay, like I personally, what I would do is just go, can you, I'm not actually going to do it, but can you please research writing SEO optimized blog titles 2024, for example. I would put that in, get Chat to search it using the search feature. It'll then get an up-to-date idea of the best titles, and that way, yeah, it's going to be up to date, which is exactly what you need because Google is forever changing. So, master the art of smoking cheese. Perfectly smoked cheese. How long should you smoke it? I really like that one. Perfectly smoked cheese. That kind of gets you in there thinking, yes, I want it perfectly smoked. Timing matters. Not the greatest. Unlocked smoked cheese perfection. The right. That's getting quite long. Smoking cheese simplified. So for me, personally, that stands out. Perfectly smoked cheese. How long should you smoke it? If I'm smoking cheese, I want it to be perfect. And it's answering my question of how long should I smoke it. So you're addressing the search intent there. You're engaging because you're using the words perfectly is making people think, yes, that is how I want the outcome to come across. Perfectly smoked cheese. So now that you've got that, we could try. It might not exactly work, but I don't think that could be made any better myself. But you can also use this prompt. If you get a list of titles and you just want to play around with them a little bit more, you can say, can you please make this title more engaging? Now that title to me is a 10 out of 10, so I would not be doing this normally, but just to show you what it can do. Perfectly smoked cheese, discovering the ideal smoking time. Okay, so it's just taken our keyword and mixed it up. Give me 5 more examples. So there you go. You can see here, you can go through and turn you can get 5 ideas and then really knuckle down on what you want it to be. But I honestly, Where is it? Perfectly smoked cheese. I really like that title. So that is actually what I am going to be taking away and putting in my blog post. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that's given you a very simple demonstration of how to create SEO optimized titles. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe, and go and check out my blog playlist where it will have a whole bunch of different information of how to use ChatGPT to create the perfect blog posts. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.